Okay guys, so we have Hyundai accent. We have to remove and replace the fuel filter. Okay guys, so before you remove the fuel filter, just switch on the ignition key so that you can check the fuel gauge. So this one more less than one half. Okay guys, so we have Hyundai Accent 2016 model. We're going to replace the fuel filter. This one, you have to remove the rear passenger seat. Okay, this one we will remove. To remove the hose, we have to place this loop both sides at the same time so that we can remove it. And this one we have to remove also. Okay. And we'll remove the mounting bolts 8 mm. This mounting bolts we have to remove. So this one has brown and black, so must be installed properly. Make sure that you have to return it back properly. Okay, so we already returned the new one. We replaced the filter. Okay guys, ready to install. Thank you for watching.